Good morning. Welcome again to Morning Devotions. Thank you for our time together. Right now, let's go back to the book of Galatians chapter 6, beginning with verse 1. Brothers, if someone is caught in a sin, you who are spiritual should restore him gently. But watch yourselves, or you may also be tempted. Now, there are many types of sins and many ways we get ourselves caught up in sin. But Paul here is talking about what theologians call the Galatians 6 slip-up. Literally, if someone gets slipped up, they weren't planning it, they didn't premeditate it, they just slipped up, and then they're in the midst of this sin. These are not people that need, big emphasis. These are not people that need, big restoration programs for 5 years. These are not people that need they don't need any of that. They slipped up. He said, now you who are spiritual, restore these people gently. They don't even know why they did this. It's like walking along on a floor and you slip up on a banana peel and you wind up on your butt and you go, how did that happen? That's exactly what this is. Now, there are Christians out there, and some of you I'm talking to, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You had no intention. You didn't think about it. You didn't premeditate it. You just slipped up. Now, when you do that, that doesn't mean that you're not saved. That doesn't mean that you've destroyed your walk with Jesus. That doesn't mean that you've got some evil thing in your heart. You slipped up. You who are spiritual, help get them back on their feet again. Help them understand that there's no condemnation in Christ. Help move them forward. Don't kick them while they're on the ground. Help them. Get them back up and move forward in Jesus again. Sometimes, parents, this is your kids. You've got a good kid. You've got a good son. You've got a good daughter. And man, they just slipped up. They don't need to be beaten with the Bible 500 times. They slipped up. Help get them back up on their feet. Gently, in Jesus' name.